Welcome back to another episode of Salty Twins. My name's Tony. Ricky is behind the camera, and he just ordered this Octo mask. It's a diving mask with a GoPro mount at the top, and basically new masks, they come with this really thin layer of plastic on the inside of the lens. So today what we're going to do is we're going to remove that, and how we're going to do it, I already rinsed this mask with fresh water, and it's to be able to coat this plastic and get it wet to where the actual heat from the flame of the lighter won't damage it. But the first thing we do is we take a lighter and we're going to try to burn off a lot of this filament on the inside. So you can see it, and I'm moving, you can see it already starting to burn. You just want to keep moving that lighter back and forth. There we go. I'll take my finger on the inside and wipe it real good. That side's done. And we'll go ahead and do the other side.
And you can feel it, right?
Yep, yeah. So on that one, I used my finger to rinse off that plastic. But there you go, you can see it burning off right now. I'm just gonna keep moving that lighter because the last thing you wanna do is burn through your mask. Take my finger, rub it really good. I'm gonna go rinse it, and then I'll show you the next step. So after you rinse it, you wanna take a little bit of toothpaste, usually toothpaste that has a little bit of grit to it, and all you do is you put it on the inside of the lens like that, and you wanna have a little bit of water in there, but you use your finger and you rub the inside of the lens really good. And this is gonna help get off the rest of the plastic. The grit of the toothpaste is gonna really help that. The only thing after you do this is you wanna rinse your mask really good, because if you don't and you leave the toothpaste in there, it's gonna burn your eyes when you go to throw this mask on for the first time.
Oh, because of the peppermint and stuff.
Yeah, dude, it's super minty. You'll just cry the whole time. So.
Oh, look, we have a friend.
Very simple. Just be extra careful when you're burning your mask. But just like that. So we're gonna rinse it one more time. I'll rinse it in the pool, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here you go. Super good. This side's super clear. This side has a little bit of toothpaste still, but